Hey, it's Bear
and Squirrel.
And today, in our second episode of Baton Rouge Hikes, we are headed to Frenchtown Conservation Area. Come along with us as we explore one of the underrated spots of Baton Rouge hiking, with a surprise location at the end. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the hike with us. Frenchtown is Breck's largest park,
And it takes up nearly 500 acres of land between the Amite and Comite rivers in Central.
There are 2 trails here, and today we mostly followed the loop trail, but then veered off on the railroad trail as well. There is very little elevation gain and it is mostly flat, but there are a few small hills to go over.
Unfortunately, doges are not allowed on this trail.
We love the mix of plant life on this trail. In some places, the floor is covered in holly, which is beautiful all year long, but especially when it is fruiting. There are cypress and tupelo trees, pines, and all types of hardwood. There are wildflowers all over as well. For our gear segment, one of the things we like to have on our hikes are these packable day packs. This one works well, and Squirrel has an Ozark Trail one that she likes. We will include a link in the description. But these backpacks are very light and can just hold enough stuff for a short hike. These are perfect for kids to carry their own gear during a hike.
There are several spots along the loop trail where there are river overlooks. We jumped off the loop trail where it meets the railroad trail. We walked along the track to the Amite River. There's a nice spot there to sit on the bank and enjoy the river.
The best hikes are the ones that have a destination. And for this hike, the beach at the end of the railroad trail is that destination. This is a really awesome spot to just sit and enjoy the sound of the river and just relax or read a book. The first time we came here, we thought we were in on a secret. It is a really nice spot that doesn't take a lot of effort to get to. Frenchtown is a very great park. This is our second time to visit here, but it's becoming one of our favorites. The hike is pretty easy, but has the reward of reaching the great beach spot at the end. One thing that we noticed is that many of the visitors here don't bother to pick up their trash. There is quite a lot of litter on the beach, which some of it can be extremely dangerous. Due to the beauty of this park, the ease of the hike and the beach at the end, we give this hike 4 stars. The trash on the beach is the only reason that it isn't a 5.
Now it's time to leave the park and grab some trail magic.
Today we are going to check out a place in Denham Springs called Mr. Milkshake. Mr. Milkshake has a variety of fancy milkshakes to choose from. They also have ice cream scoops and fancy sodas to choose from. Everything we had was really good. We tried several milkshakes and ice cream scoops. It was great, but the price was a little on the high side. My parents said that this is definitely only a sometimes treat due to the price.
But we give Mr. Milkshake 4 stars.
Thanks for coming along with us on this hike. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we go on our next hike.
Thanks for watching.